When you hear that $1.25 million went to expanded mental health support for students and staff affected by Hurricane Helene in western North Carolina, what is it that you think about? Well, probably you would think money would go to things like counseling, therapists, and potentially support groups, right? Well, I'm State Auditor Dave Boliek, and our job at the Office of State Auditor is to analyze where taxpayer dollars actually go. That's why my office decided to take a closer look at how community colleges in western North Carolina used these particular mental health funds. And what we found is that 3 community colleges used them for what can only be described as questionable expenses. Our newest rapid response report details that these colleges used these emergency funds to pay for promotional materials such as succulents, rhinoceros-shaped stress balls, t-shirts, flowers, and foot detoxes. One college even used the funds to pay for pizza, gift cards, and event materials for a sobriety bowl hosted in January of 2025. Now, these aren't necessarily bad things in and of themselves, but they're not likely what policymakers or even you as a taxpayer would think about when you hear about emergency mental health relief as part of western North Carolina's hurricane response. I want to make sure that these valuable funds are used correctly so that the people who need them the most can get the help they need after an event like Hurricane Helene. Well, there is good news, and that is that these 3 community colleges quickly acknowledged the findings and have taken steps to recategorize those emergency funds. Blue Ridge Community College also noted that it would limit the use of emergency hurricane relief funds to mental health services only, which is great to hear. Reports like these aren't meant to nitpick, but rather they're to make sure that the money is being used for its intended purposes. To get more details about this report, click the link on our profile and make sure to follow the Office of the State Auditor for more important updates on how your tax dollars are being spent.